How cheesy was that pop-up? I felt like I was on The Price is Right. And you're gonna get this kitchen!
It reminded me of like Wheel of Fortune.
Vanna White! Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel today. Amari and I are hanging out in the kitchen. I just was having one of those weeks in my life where it just felt like things were so up and down. I felt like a lot of the days I was kind of dragging my feet just trying to get through the day between mom life and work life. So at the end of this week, I went to the gym or something. I was out running errands and I came home and Stevie surprised me. I had no idea that he called up Container Store and literally had them come and basically check off something that's been on my to-do list since we moved into this house, and it was really organizing the kitchen. I am so excited to show you guys a first look at our pantry, as well as some of the other systems that Container Store helped me create, which made sense with our life, because you know, we gotta have a snack drawer, especially for this one. Do you wanna be in the rest of the video or do you wanna go play? Okay, she's over it. Okay, I'm so excited, y'all. Here we go. Babe, are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
You know I'm not like really a flowers and candy person, so you really blessed me this Valentine's Day by basically acts of service is my love language. So you did it, boy. Exactly. You did it! You guys ready to see the pantry? Here we go. Oh my gosh. Every time I come in here, I'm just like, oh, you don't understand. Walking into a pantry and not seeing chip bags everywhere and just clutter, that's like my dream come true. So a big thing that we use this pantry for is to hide a lot of our like bulkier items. The first station being Stevie's coffee maker machine. I don't know how this thing works. I love this thing though, it's fun, the frothy thing. Anyways, before, there was just tons of coffee beans everywhere. There wasn't really a system in place. And so these cute little containers that we got at Container Store have like, look, his coffee beans inside. It's just nice because you don't have to see it. And then I love the system that they've put in place here with these little containers. Stevie loves having his little like toppings for his coffee, so that's in there. We just got rid of the box. Like boxes take up so much space, so I love that we have now just organized everything in here. And then this is the tea station, which this is more my vibe. I love this little tea bag set. This is like perfect for tea. It closes and fits perfectly in our drawers. And then this drawer is hot cocoa, more seasonal items. But again, I like that everything is in these little containers so that nothing is just like being thrown around in here and falling out of the bag. In this drawer here, we just have another coffee maker for when guests come to town. We just have so many coffee mugs that it's nice to have a place where we can store them like this. And then this is the not so cute but organized snack drawer. I just feel like chip bags, there's no way to make chip bags look cute. And that's what the sweet lady who came from Container Store when she was helping Stevie kind of like figure out the situation for in here, that's what she told him. So before, our chips were all up there and it was just so messy. You walk in, it's the first thing you see, and it just did not look good. So it's hidden away here, and look, everything has its own little chip clip. What fit perfectly, look, it's like more nuts, snacks, this huge container. I love just being able to store everything. Like these are my popcorns, pretzels, all that. Ooh, I want one of these right now. Yeah, so good. From Trader Joe's, yum. So, I love this drawer, but I also like when I can't see it, because when I don't see it, I don't think about it. You know what I mean? And I love my snacks. As we move up on the shelf, you're gonna just see, this is my dream. Like when you go on Pinterest, dream pantries have these awesome containers. Okay, and then as we move up, I just wanna say, babe, you really did pick out the best baskets. I love a combination of like the plastic clear containers, mixing it with this like woven basket organizers. It just looks so good, so you did a great job.
Thank you.
And I like that she organized more of our snacks here, but she categorized it. So like these are like the crackers and some of the wheat stuff. This is like miscellaneous, like dried fruits, things like that. And then the sweets here. It's a pantry and I want it to feel inviting and that there's food in here. So I do like that you can still see some of the food, but it's not overwhelmed by tons of packaging. All of our sauces that we haven't opened yet and items there, like some of Stevie's bourbon, holiday bourbons, is just up there. And then I like the cookbooks. It gives it just a really cozy vibe in here. And then I love our baking area. And everything is labeled. Oh my gosh. These are our oils that we cook with. What do you call these? Lazy Susans? I love this from Container Store. It's one of my favorite things. We've got dinner baskets here, things for cooking, our pasta stuff, even a thing for grains. Breakfast items, Teeny loves her chocolate chip pancakes, the bread basket here, and then we have back stock up top and just some more items that we don't really need right now, but if we need it, we can go up there. I will say we use this more than anything in the pantry, and if that's you too, it's worth it. We practically use all these items for our smoothies. We put, oh my God, we put a scoop of this.
Yeah, oh, show
This makes it so good. If you just aren't a smoothie person because you think they're gonna taste nasty, just add this into your smoothie.
Oh my God.
It's like amazing.
Also too, wait, holler at the PB2.
I love that.
Holler
It's
at
basically what? Peanut butter powder.
Yep.
And then we add spinach and banana, a lot of ice, some almond milk, and then look, our blender is even right here. Again, don't want this on my countertop out there. So this is kind of like our second mini kitchen with like the bulky microwave and Teeny's treat jar. Look, she's almost at the top. When she gets to the top, she's going to be so excited.
So what does that mean? What is she doing?
I basically promised her that she's going to get like a major reward, like sleep over in my room, kicking daddy out of the room kind of thing.
Okay.
Know?
Well, I'm going to have a sleepover at my brother's house.
Would you like a drink, babe?
Ooh, that's my favorite thing about this whole pantry.
Okay, me too. Is that lame?
No, the drink fridge, I mean.
I love beverages, like cold, icy. I even have a Coke in here for later.
Oh.
This might happen today. Look, Santa's Claus is still on it.
You haven't even shown them your favorite drawer yet.
I forgot about this. So when Stevie told me that he created a drawer for all of my pre-workout. I feel like these are the kinds of little things that like in boxes take up so much space. So look at the containers. They're actually individuals and they fit perfectly. So you know what? It's really great that we have this space in the pantry, but we were not maximizing and utilizing it before. Now I feel like everything is in its proper place and even some drinks backstock down here. And now when we have guests over or when we're just looking for something, I feel like we're gonna find it. We have a system. That's the pantry, but Steve, he went a little cray-cray and even helped organize the drawers in our kitchen. Starting with the not so pretty drawer that was made somewhat pretty with these little bins here. So these are like the plastic containers. I love that the lids now have a little cubby. And then our knives are neatly organized. Look at this. You just can put a million knives in here and just, there you go. Don't mess with me. And then some more baking utensils, supplies. This is for my charcuterie. I've been looking for my charcuterie stuff forever and we found it and I wanted a little cubby for that. And Stevie, you made my charcuterie cubby dreams come true. The spice drawer might be my favorite of them all. I remember I told you not too long ago, I was I think on Etsy or something, and I was like, look at these really cute spice jars that are labeled, like we should do that. And you were like, no, that is gonna take up so much time and energy. So when he was like, hey, go open that drawer real quick, I was like, why? Look! Our spices are in cute containers. Everything's labeled. Now I really look like Vanna White.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you have the Havana White?
The Vanna White.
You just want a new spice drawer.
But you know what killed me is that, look, she had to create one for Samak. If you're Middle Eastern, then you know what Samak is.
We have a dedicated Samak? Let me see it.
It's a Samak sticker, but I bet she was like doing that and she's like, what is Samak?
Wow, shout out to all the white people and the people who aren't Middle Eastern watching that don't know what this is. Y'all need to learn about this spice because wow.
Okay, so one thing that she did that I thought was so cute was Teeny is now, you know, 3 years old. She has her snacks, her favorite treats, and she's always like, Mommy, Mommy, can you go give me a snack? And I'd have to go in the pantry and reach for it and look for it. She dedicated a drawer for Teeny's snack pile.
You best believe I'll be coming in this drawer.
I like love these little wooden, look, they're individual containers, and they fit perfectly in our drawer, so she had to have measured, obviously. And then Amari has a growing snack drawer. Oh wow, it says Amara. I just noticed that.
This was a clutch drawer right
This
here.
is so clutch. If you're a mom, then you know how many of these guys do we use and do we abuse. We even have that same little like cubby system for our forks. Everything is so perfect. I love it. It just makes me happy when I know where everything is. And it teaches our girls too that, you know, there's an order here in place. Like, you know, put things back where you got them. Like, so having somebody come here and do that is just such a blessing. It's just crazy because the week did not start off great, but it ended amazingly. I just wanted to share this video because maybe some of you have been looking for ways to just organize your pantry or your kitchen, and I say start by measuring and start by figuring out like what are those little areas in your kitchen that you really spend a lot of time on. We have to show them next our screened-in porch that we renovated into our into our office.
Oh yeah.
That is like the current project,
Yeah.
but at least our kitchen's organized when we need to come in here for snacks, you know.
Yes, that.
All right, I love you guys so much. I hope that you're enjoying all my content I've been putting out lately. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching it. Comment below, let me know what videos you want to see next, and please subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification so that you can be alerted when I upload a new video. Thanks guys for watching. Until next time.